Hello everyone, my name is Zachariah Soa and today we are going to be discussing the different regions of the brain as well as what bodily functions each region is responsible for. Now the largest part of the brain is called the cerebrum. It's divided into two hemispheres, left and right, called the cerebral hemispheres, which are joined by the corpus callosum. So we'll start with the frontal lobe, which is going to be this area here. This is a part of the brain that controls important cognitive skills such as emotional expression, problem solving, memory, language, judgment. In essence, it's the control panel of our personality and our ability to communicate. We then have the parietal lobe, which is going to be this area here, involved in the perception of sensation, including touch, temperature, pain, and awareness of the body position and movement, as well as in the advanced perception of visual and auditory information. The temporal lobe, which is this area here, is primarily responsible for interpreting sounds from the ears and plays a significant role in recognizing and using language. It also helps with object recognition and interacts with other structures to create new and long-term memories. In the rear, we have the occipital lobe, which is the visual processing area of the brain. It's associated with distance and depth perception, color determination, object and face recognition, and memory formation. It is also responsible for taking the signals from the eye and combining them to create the binocular perception of the environment. And then I have the cerebellum, which is the portion of the brain in the back of the head between the cerebrum and the brainstem. It's used to control balance for walking and standing and other complex motor functions. We then have the brainstem. It's the posterior stalk-like part of the brain that connects the cerebrum with the spinal cord. It's composed of the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. Now, not pictured, but connecting to the medulla oblongata is the spinal cord, which is a complex organization of nerve cells that are responsible for movement and sensation. The brain and the spinal cord together are your body's central nervous system. The brain is the command center for your body, and the spinal cord is the pathway for messages sent by the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. That's going to wrap it up for today's lesson. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time.